In this course, we will design our own t-shirts, and that's why we need photo editing programs. Lots of photo editing and designing programs are out there in online. And from all of them, my most favorite software is Adobe Photoshop. Latest version is Adobe Photoshop CC. CC means Creative Cloud. From our next lecture, we will start designing our t-shirts with Adobe Photoshop. To use this software, you need to purchase their subscription. If I click on this choose a plan, and here you can see their plans. $10 per month. As far as I know, they are also offering 7 days of free trial. Using this Adobe Photoshop software, you will be able to design basic and advanced level of t-shirts. And the best part is you can run it on pretty much any computer. And my second favorite software for t-shirt designing is Adobe Illustrator. This is a vector-based editing program, and this software is owned by the same company, Adobe. And they also offering the Adobe Illustrator software free trial for 7 days. To purchase this software, you need to purchase their subscription. To use this software, you need $20 per month. And in this course, we will also learn a little bit about t-shirt designing with Adobe Illustrator. This software is really great for t-shirt designing. And if you are looking for free editing programs, then I suggest you to use a software which is called GIMP. Web URL is www.gimp.org. This software is totally free and it is an open source image editor. These are my recommended software for designing t-shirt. From our next lecture, we will start designing our simple t-shirts and upload them in March by Amazon. Thank you so much for watching.